Hello and welcome to the Newport News Public Library Baking Show. My name is Candice and joining me once again today is my lovely assistant Anne.
Hi Newport News, it's good to see you again, but sadly it is the last time we will because we are ending our videos today, but today we're going to be making Peach Crumble with graham crackers.
Yes, today is our last baking show segment, and yes, we are going to be making a peach crumble using, of course, peaches and graham crackers. So the first thing that you want to do is peel and then slice up 3 cups of peaches, which I have already done here. And what do we do next?
We are going to pour in half a cup of sugar.
Okay. What's next?
We are going to add a tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which I am going to do right this minute.
Okay. Good. Now what?
We are going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. I shook it out of there.
Okay, that's a bit much here. No. Here we go, just like that. Okay.
Sorry, this one's kind of narrow, so it's kind of hard.
That's alright. Okay, what's next?
We are going to add another half a teaspoon of...
1/4 teaspoon.
Another 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon.
Okay. And then what's last?
We are going to add cardamom.
How much?
We are going to add a half a teaspoon.
A 1/4 teaspoon.
Sorry. I'm just kidding.
Okay. And we're gonna mix that all together with our peaches. And then put the peaches in a baking dish.
After you've finished putting your peaches into your baking dish, you are going to mash up 3 cups worth of graham crackers and melt half a cup of butter and add it to there. And mix that up with a After you've finished mixing up your graham crackers and butter, you are going to sprinkle them onto your peaches. After you've finished crumbling all your after you've finished putting your graham crackers on your peaches, you are going to bake at 375 for 4 to 35 minutes.
So here we have our finished peach crumble. You want to try a little bit of the topping? What do you think of that? Yeah? Okay. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
It's really good!
And remember to hit the like or subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye!